Then this is the last task. This is again Unit 414. This time it's Activity 8. It says here, list below information and documents which are needed to apply for a job. Notice it says a job and not those specific jobs. You will need this information for your mock interview. Don't even think about that. But think about things. If you've been to an interview, think about things they ask you to take with you. It might be a birth certificate, might be a driving license, might be a passport. They won't ask you to bring all this information. I'm just giving you ideas. There's one, disclosure and barring service. You may or may not know what that is. If you apply for jobs in healthcare or with working with children, you'll know what that is. It's a background security check. It used to be called the DBS, CRB actually. It's now called the DBS. It used to be called the CRB, Criminal Records Bureau. Some jobs ask you for that. Obviously, if you get a job at the airport, it don't matter even if you're selling ice lollies. They will ask for a disclosure and barring service check to make sure that you've not, robbed any banks in the past. And they might ask you to bring some qualifications, so your computer qualification if that's what you're doing, or they might ask you for your forklift truck driving license if you're going to be a forklift truck driver. So that's just a general gist. License, I'll try and spell it right. And that's still not right, is it? That's about it. Yes, so if you think in terms of different things that they might ask you for identification-wise, driving license, birth certificates, passport, or whatever, they might ask you for a copy of your CV. Don't want you to write all these down as is, but it's a few ideas. It just says, list below information which are needed. It doesn't tell you how many bits of information. So I want to see at least 3 on this list. Be adventurous. Think of things that they might ask you to take with you if you went for a job interview for that job. Okay. And then finally, just sign it and date it at the bottom. That's that unit done. Make sure you've still got your evidence with it. Okay. That's activity number 8 done.